and unbox our first package from Amazon. So the theme of these earrings are we're gonna go to Central Park. I was in a bit of a slump from checking the reviews, and I also added I don't know why it seems we're kind of alive. You know I love my snacks, and as an entity does too. I am definitely one of those people. Spicy and crunchy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Today is a Wednesday and I just thought of starting another vlog today. So I just wrapped up my winter morning routine right now and it should be up by now, actually way ahead, because I am planning to post my winter morning routine by Saturday, that is 11th of January. If you are new here, my name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon and I make lots of daily diaries, productivity and lifestyle content. So if that's your jam, definitely consider subscribing. I promise you'll love it here. Today is a pretty standard day. I have to upload a video today. It's a work from home day, check off my to-do list with me kind of vlog. So if you haven't checked it out, I will link it in the description or in the cards above. It's currently 2 p.m. Nothing exciting happened right now, but I will take you guys along the rest of the day. I do plan on showing you some stuff that I recently purchased or got. So my mom and dad were visiting me and they brought in some stuff that I am excited to show you guys. So first we'll get a video ready and then in the middle of the day I'll take a break and show you guys all the stuff.
Feather funk. That's my favorite drip. I get it from the broke man store, but that don't really matter to me. Yeah, broken hearts can't hurt you when you're dancing. Yeah, I only wanna feel good. Yeah, I only wanna slide. Ooh, ooh, slide on me on over to the dance floor. Yeah, stop looking at the road clock. That time just gonna glide past 3. Yeah, so break me free. I wanna get you dancing.
So guys, this is the thumbnail I came up with. I spent half an hour on creating this thumbnail. I am following a similar layout from my other vlogs. This is what I have been doing in terms of my thumbnail formats lately, and I think this is fine for a simple work from home vlog. So I'll just go ahead and upload this video now. Hi guys, it is 3:30 p.m. I am done with uploading my video. Everything is ready. The thumbnail, the links, everything is just done. And now I thought, why not take a break and show you guys the stuff that I gathered. I ordered some things off of Amazon, and also, as I mentioned earlier, my family was visiting and they brought some gifts. So let's get into it. First of all, I got this cute little box cutter from Miniso. I really needed a box cutter. Let's make use of it and unbox our first package from Amazon. Oh, okay. So I know what it is. I just ordered 2 things yesterday. One is this peppermint tea. I have tried this brand before and I found it to be fine, so I repurchased this. And the next thing I got is this sunset lamp. I really wanted to get this for our movie nights and also for just some ambient lighting throughout the day. So I'm gonna try this and let you know how it is. By the way, this was the expensive one. There were so many cheaper options. Among all the sellers on Amazon, I chose this particular one because the reviews were good. The others had really weird reviews, like some said it was plasticky, the light was not good, or they were just having quality issues. I played safe and went with the one which was a little expensive, but that's fine. I'll use it and see if it is any good. Guys, my parents are the sweetest. They visited and got me stuff. Like, I do not expect them to bring anything, but I know whatever they do is out of love. So I'm really happy with whatever they got, and it's a lot for me. I'm very, very grateful. So, my mom watches my vlogs and she knew that I needed silver earrings. So, she went on a hunt and she got me a few pairs. She got me 4 earrings. Three of them are in silver and one is a gold tone. Okay, so you know I love my hoops. So the theme of these earrings are hoops. First is this pair. I think it is a very old design, but I do not own anything like this, so I'm pretty excited to try this. And next, she got me these square hoops. And then, look how pretty are these. They are just so sparkly and perfect for any event or a date night. And then the last pair is this golden one. I mean, each pair is so beautiful. I think I'm gonna enjoy all of them. Plus, I feel like things in Chandigarh are so cheap as compared to Gurgaon. I'm not sure what the price was, but there are a few markings behind, and this pair was only for 120 rupees. This seems to be for 140. This is for 150. And this one is for 140 as well. I mean, if I went to H&M for these earrings, I would have paid 5.99 or 6.99. So I love it. I can wear them guilt-free. And then my dad got me these earbuds or earphones. I do not know why he got me this, but I am excited to use these. I have my old-fashioned wired earphones, but I am pretty excited to try these. So whenever I'm sitting for an editing session, I am definitely gonna open this. Or let's just unbox it right now. Oh my god. It has a cat face on. I don't know if you can see it. Why does it have a cat face on? Okay. Pretty bougie. I'm not sure what brand is this, but I'm very grateful. Thanks, Dad. Moving on, my mom and dad also got me some treats that my uncle had sent from Italy. You know, I love my snacks, and apparently he does too. So he sent me these two things. I am not quite sure what these are. The first is this. I don't even want to pronounce it because I'm sure I'm gonna butcher the Italian language. But I will call him up, ask him what is this, and then I'll open it up and try. Or maybe let's try it in the evening. And then I think this is something sweet, has to do something with almonds. I can see almonds on the packet. So yeah, pretty excited. I am really thankful to receive all of this love. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get back to work, and I will see you guys in a while.
I got nothing in my head, but I think that I'm fine. I've been dreaming of my bed, but I can't get through the night. I got nothing in my chest, but I'm feeling so alive. Don't remember what you said, but it's killing me tonight.
Alright guys, I am at my desk sitting down, back to work. I need to transfer clips from this morning into my MacBook so that I can start editing, but I don't think so. I've shown my January wallpaper to you guys. So this is again from Study with Nali, and this is one of January 2025 wallpapers. I will link her account as usual in the description. So if you are at all interested in cute aesthetic backgrounds for your laptops, iPhones, or your iPads, definitely check her out. Okay guys, so it's 5:48 in the evening and I'm pretty tired. I really need a pick me up at this moment. I have done a lot today. I have posted my video, transferred my clips from this morning. I just need to start editing, but I'm very tired and also a little hungry. So I'm gonna grab a snack quickly. I don't know. Sometimes you just need a pick me up to get through those 2 to 3 hours of your day. I'm gonna end my work pretty late today. Sorry, I got cut off. So I was saying that I am a little behind on checking off my to-do list for today. But I was recording 2 videos today, which means most of my time that I allocated for other things went into filming, but I'm not too mad about it. Also, I'm not too worried about my dinner as well. I don't think so, I've mentioned it. But along with all the wonderful things that my parents got me, they also got me some home cooked food. Dad made this Indian Punjabi style macaroni in onion, tomato, green chili, tadka, and he also made some soy granules in the same tadka. So I have all of that in my fridge, and mom made some gajar ka halwa which was too good. I have 2 boxes, like 2 Tupperwares full of it. So I'm pretty set dinner wise. I am gonna make most of this situation and get things done. I had ordered these rice chips that I'm gonna open and have right now. I think these are pretty common, but I haven't had them yet. These are salty, spicy, and crunchy. I don't know if it is the spice, but I'm suddenly craving some hot soup. I think I already have some vegetable stock prepared in my fridge, so I'll make some soup for dinner tonight. Why is it that whenever we are having something, we always think about our next meal? Is it just me? Let me know in the comments below. Are you one of those people who think about what they're gonna have for lunch when they're actually having their breakfast, or what they're gonna have for dinner tonight when they're having their lunch? I am definitely one of those people.
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain.
You don't call, you don't ring. We got nothing left, not a single thing. Well, I still got your jersey, now that's my team. Think they won just the other week, but you don't say shit. Tell me, did you replace them? Posters that we placed them. Guess I'd rather play dumb. Don't think I can face it, don't want to erase us. I'd much rather stay. Well, I guess it's all the same. Where you were, there's now a strange shadow lurking in your shape.
Good morning, guys. It's finally Friday. I have been waiting for this day all week. Also, I did not vlog anything yesterday because, well, I was just so tired and honestly a little bit unmotivated. It happens to all of us, right? There are days when you just can't muster energy to do anything, Well, all I did yesterday was just editing and working on my content, and that's it. Mentally, I was in a bit of a slump. It happens, and I think it's important to acknowledge it. I'll talk about it more further in the vlog, but I'm back today and I'm feeling so much better. I made myself some coffee. I already had a little bit of it, so I'm feeling good. I have journaled too, and I feel much more focused and energized right now. I have planned my entire day. Plus, tomorrow's the weekend, and I'm very excited because a good friend of mine is visiting, and I have decided to take Saturday and Sunday off from work, totally off the grid, and just spend some quality time with him. Alright, I will finish my coffee and then I'll get back to work. Alright guys, so here's my lunch. I made a multigrain wrap with my meal prep veggie patties and a side salad. So this has arugula, romaine, lettuce, some cherry tomatoes, and I also added these rice crackers for a little crunch, and now I'm gonna taste it. This actually tastes good. Also, here's my wrap. So I have a veggie patty inside, some of this side salad, capsicum, onions, a little bit of mayo, and yeah, that's it. Alright, guys, it's later in the evening and I just grabbed myself a quick snack. So, I have some red grapes and blueberries, and I was just craving some fruit today. So, I thought, why not utilize this time and chat with you guys? So, as I already told you guys, I did not vlog yesterday, and I just want to talk to you about feeling burnt out. So, I was thinking how we all experience stress, be it mental or physical, and how we deal with it. Stress is such a huge part of our life, and if we do not manage it, it can spiral out of control, right? So, I thought I'd share some of my methods of dealing with stress and how I try to avoid burnout. First of all, whenever I'm mentally burnt out, I stop working. I know how simple that sounds, but it's the best thing that I can do for myself. I have observed that if I keep on pushing myself through the exhaustion, I end up being more overwhelmed and unproductive. That being said, taking a step back is super important. I let myself rest, be it reading a book, taking a slow walk, and these things really help me out. Another thing that I like to do is listen to my body. I think sometimes we push ourselves too hard because we feel like we have to keep going. But if my body says that I need a break, whether it's a nap or a change of scenery, I'll listen to it. and also listening to my body is one of my goals this year. So I'm learning to take a break without feeling guilty about it. Whenever I'm feeling physically drained, I try to shift my focus towards recovery and recharging myself. I mean, you can't work or function properly if you are always running on empty. So that's a little peek into how I manage my stress and burnout. I think the key is knowing when to step back and listen to yourself. Alright, guys, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this little chat. If you have ever felt burnt out or overwhelmed, just know that you're not alone. It happens to all of us. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I post new videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
She keeps
Bye.
me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long.